So what is a dummy battery and why do you need it for your camera? Well, today I'm going to give you an example of why and how it can help you. I have a DSLR camera here. If I was to live stream with this DSLR camera for an hour, 2 hours, my battery is not going to last. So what do I need to do? I need to buy something that allows me to extend the battery life, basically allow you to power your camera for longer. So think about this. Your camera has a battery. Let's take that battery out. I've taken the battery out and there's a slot there. So now the dummy battery is quite good. What it does, I would show you the ones I use, but I'm actually using them on all my cameras right now. The camera has a battery, but it's not a real battery. It's a dummy battery, which is why they call it a dummy. In the bottom of it has a little plug. You plug a plug in and then that dummy battery goes inside your camera. And then the power lead goes to a little socket that you put into the wall and that powers your camera indefinitely. So now there's a few things to keep in mind here. A number of Canon cameras in the past or around this couple of years have had issues with overheating, as in the cameras got too hot. Now, it seems that Canon sorted that problem out, so it wasn't a massive issue, but the cameras that I use, I've not had that overheating issue. I use a 5D Mark II, I use a Canon T2i, which is also known as a 550D in the UK. The SL3, the T7 are also good cameras for this purpose. As long as you're live streaming and you're using that option and you're not in a super hot environment, you should be fine. I've been using them for a number of years. I've done live streams for up to 4 hours in the past. I've not had any problems. So dummy batteries are very good.